improving the performance of normalizing furnaces is vital to cut costs. Traditional brick linings transfer and store too much heat, leading to energy loss, shell fatigue, and frequent maintenance. Walls and roof radiate heat, wasting fuel. Slow response. High heat storage delays heating and cooling. Aging. Thermal shock and vibration cause cracks and spalling. These issues make efficient, stable furnace operation an ongoing challenge. CCEWOOL ceramic fiber blankets provide efficient, reliable insulation for normalizing furnaces with low heat loss and great thermal shock resistance.
Low thermal conductivity, save more energy. Made from high-purity fiber and spun at high speed, CCEWOOL blankets have fine texture and low shot content. They cut heat loss and lower furnace shell temperature much better than traditional bricks. Lightweight, flexible, quick heat response. Much lighter than brick linings, they store little heat and respond fast to temperature changes. The multi-layer design keeps heat evenly distributed and reduces joint leakage. Strong, stable, excellent thermal shock resistance. Double-needled fibers form a dense, three-dimensional interwoven structure that stays stable through heating, cooling, and vibration. Smart manufacturing, always reliable. Our intelligent system controls every step to ensure uniform fibers, stable thickness, and consistent quality in every row.
CCEWOOL blankets have greatly improved our furnace insulation. Shell temperatures dropped significantly, fuel use decreased, and the furnace life nearly doubled. Their team provided professional technical support throughout installation.
In steel production, normalizing furnaces are vital for stable structure and performance, and their efficiency directly affects costs and sustainability. CCEWOOL ceramic fiber blankets made with high-purity materials and smart manufacturing provide lightweight, efficient linings that cut energy use, extend furnace life, and support greener steelmaking. CC Fire insulating fire bricks 2300, 2600, 2800, 3000. CCEWOOL high temperature insulation wool RCF LBP PCW including blankets, boards, papers, modules, bulks, ropes, etc. Nationwide distribution covering Canada, Mexico, and surrounding countries. Contact us now for fast delivery. The most reputable brand in the high temperature insulation fiber field for over 20 years.